This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Jennifer Humphrey-Poveda. Brand new, luxury 5-bedroom cabin in highly sought after Thunder Mountain Resort with mountain views, large parking area, theater room, game room, open floor plan and huge outdoor decks. Completed in May of 2023, this property has done over $13,000 in July alone with Summit Cabin Rentals. Similar properties with same floor plan on Summit Cabin Rentals are on track to do $125,000 plus in yearly gross rental. Sold fully furnished. Great location located in between Pigeon Forge Parkway and Wares Valley Road. You are just minutes to either. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer Humphrey-Poveda at 865-687-1111.